Some illegal and illicit drugs are used in medication, but under supervision and doctor's prescription. It is because the drugs have a range of harmful consequences, from short-term effects to the long ones. Although certain drugs are permitted to be administered to patients who are depressed, people need a doctor's consultation for some medications. Short-term health problems are those that can occur as a result of an episode of use, or in the case of medications, inappropriate use, which vary markedly depending on the drug being used. Overdose makes the users suffer a medical emergency as a result of accidentally or intentionally using a larger amount of a drug than normal. This type of overdose can result from both taking too much of a prescribed drug or too much of an illicit drug or a combination of drugs. The amount of a drug needed to cause an overdose varies depending on how tolerant a person is to the drug, how pure the drug is, and whether the person has been drinking alcohol or has also taken a combination of over-the-counter prescription or other illicit drugs. Ecstasy overdose is not caused by the drug in isolation, but it is the combination with other risk factors. Most often, an ecstasy-related medical emergency results from overheating and dehydration. This is most likely to occur if ecstasy is taken with another drug in a hot environment such as a nightclub, in combination with a physical activity such as dancing, and when there is not enough water or there is too much water has been consumed. The most serious consequences of overdose relate to loss of consciousness, breathing, and cardiac problems. In this situation, death can result. Long-term health problems are those that occur as a result of long-term drug use and vary depending on the drug being used. And it may be from the drug itself or from the manner in which the drug is taken. For example, a person may catch a blood-borne virus from using injecting equipment that has been used by someone else. Hepatitis C is the virus most frequently caught, but there is also a risk of catching hepatitis B and HIV or AIDS. Even when clean injecting equipment is used, bacterial and fungal infections can occur. Bacterial infections may cause a local abscess at the injecting site, or more seriously, may cause infections in the heart or endocarditis or other parts of the body. Injecting can also cause vein damage. Smoking illicit drugs can cause respiratory illness such as a chronic cough, wheeze, shortness of breath, or chronic bronchitis. A number of illicit drugs are associated with mental health disorders. Regular users may also experience a range of social, legal, financial, and emotional problems.